Let's make this delicious cod ceviche. Get started by adding diced cod to a shallow dish. Pour in 3/4 of a cup of fresh lime juice. Cover with plastic wrap and marinate for 30 minutes. After the cod has marinated for about 15 minutes, give it a good stir and return to the refrigerator to marinate for 15 minutes longer. Drain and discard the juices from the marinade and add the cod to a large mixing bowl. Add tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, red onion, jalapenos, cilantro, hot sauce, minced garlic, and salt. Gently stir the ceviche. Cover and refrigerate until serving. Serve ceviche with plenty of tortilla chips for dipping.